Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to fix Instagram Reels not showing up on the application. So if you guys are wondering how to fix this issue, that your Instagram Reels are not showing up on the application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So guys, what we need to do first is to actually make sure about a few factors. The first factor is that we are stably connected with our internet connection with our Wi-Fi. So this could be a contributing issue as to why we are experiencing problems like this. Go ahead and double check your Wi-Fi if you have a stable connection and you have no issues. But if you do, you could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now what we can do next, in order for us to fix this issue, is to go ahead and launch the App Store. And I want you to proceed with searching for the Instagram application. Now, what this will do is, this gonna show you if you have an update available. Now, if you do have an update available with your Instagram application, I would like you to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are going to have the best user experience possible. So once this is done, guys, what we need to do next as well is to try to go ahead and make sure that we are not having any issues with our Instagram account. So if you are experiencing some issues with your Instagram account, you do need to double check this with Instagram and basically see if they have removed you from the access to Instagram Reel. So go ahead and double check that. But essentially, the main two things, or the first two things, and first two methods that I have discussed on this video is the first two things that you need to make sure of to fix your problem. And that is all for this video. Thank you Wish for watching this video. Please like this video as well and subscribe.